Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk about 3D printing defroster vents. First off, I'd like to thank Dan Baisley for making these files available. And now we're going to watch some speeded up making of this last part right here. We're going to see it 6 times speed, normal speed, and then we'll close out. And hope you guys enjoy this. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and before we close out, let's watch it one more time at fast speed.